Ever wondered what your credit score is and how it impacts your financial life? Good news! RBC makes it incredibly easy to find directly within your mobile banking app. First things first, open up your RBC mobile banking app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to tap on the More menu option, usually located in the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down until you see the credit score option. Tap on it, and the app will securely retrieve your credit score information. And there it is! Your current credit score will be displayed prominently. RBC provides a numerical score, typically ranging from 300 to 900, along with a brief explanation of what that score means. Your credit score in the RBC app is updated regularly, usually once a month, giving you a consistent view of your credit health. Regularly checking your score can help you understand the impact of your financial decisions. Understanding your score is just the beginning. RBC often provides insights into the factors influencing your score, like payment history and credit utilization, to improve it. Focus on making timely payments, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary new credit applications. With your credit score at your fingertips in the RBC mobile app, you're empowered to make informed financial decisions and work towards a healthier financial future. It's that simple.